Hi there, students. In this video, I wanted to look at the word an apologist. An apologist, a noun, a person. Now, this has two different meanings. Firstly, the obvious one, somebody who's making an apology. Sorry, I apologize. An apologist. You could also say an apologiser for a person saying sorry. But an apologist is also somebody who defends a cause, a faith, an institution, somebody who speaks or writes in its defense. So he's a Muslim apologist. He speaks in defense of Islam. Okay, you could have a Christian apologist, somebody who's defending the Christian religion. It's particularly common with faiths. Yeah, he's an apologist for the Green Movement. Yeah, a person who argues in defense of the Green Doctrine. Yeah, he's an apologist of our justice system. Yeah, he's defending our justice system, and that is an apologist. Okay, so a defender, a spokesman, a champion, an advocate. Yeah, somebody who justifies something. Okay, so a person who supports a particular belief or political system, especially when it's an unpopular one. So communism has its apologists. Capitalism also has its apologists. I think older people don't like change, and they're normally apologists for the old system, for the system that has passed. Okay, so somebody who defends something controversial. Yeah, he's an apologist for colonialism, for example. Yeah, he speaks in its defense. Yeah. Okay, yes, you could he's an apologist against the death penalty. Yeah. Okay, that would be a defender against this idea. So, notice the word an apology. An apology, we all know as this phrase, I'm sorry, remorse, regret that you've done or you've said something that's hurt somebody else. But an apology can also be a formal justification, a formal defense of something. And that's why we have this meaning with an apologist. Yeah, so for example, the apology of the defense lawyer. Yeah, he's defending. Now, question, formality. This is an apologist. This is a formal word. I think I'm going to give this 7.5, 8 in formality. Would I use it in a semi-formal conversation? Maybe. I think for a semi-formal or formal writing would be the best place for it. And then, as I said, this word is linked to apology. Now, apology comes from Latin, apologia, but that itself comes from ancient Greek, where apologia is a speech in defense of something. Apo, from and of, and logos, speech. So speech from or of something. So that's the way it works. So remember, an apologist for something, an apologist against something is somebody who is defending a point of view. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. An apologist, somebody who speaks in defense of something, very often a religion. Yeah, an apologist for a religion, an apologist for somebody who has done something wrong, and you defend what they've done. Maybe society thinks it's wrong. So enough. If you enjoyed it, I'll see you soon and give it a rating. Bye for now. Apologist.